Hey there, welcome to another episode of Samsung One UI customization, where we talk about various options to customize and enhance the new Samsung One UI. I'm not saying I don't like Samsung One UI, in fact, I love it. But then I heard people whining about some previous features available in Oreo but not there in Samsung One UI anymore. They are either deprecated or partially removed features from options like multi-window. In my recent few videos on Samsung One UI update, I received a lot of attention and responses on what people are missing in Samsung One UI. So this series is an attempt to bring back all those features that people enjoyed on Oreo and still want them on Samsung One UI. So today I will show you how you can get the multi-window support in Samsung One UI that works just like it used to be in Oreo, in fact much better than the Oreo. In my previous few videos I showed how to remap Bixby key to Google Assistant, customize the navigation bar and also change the clock position and customize or recolor the notification bar to pitch black color and save more power. Following the same, today I will show you how you can get the multi-window support in Samsung One UI that works just like it used to in Oreo, in fact much better than that. So if you have missed any of those, do watch them, the links are given in the description. And why not subscribe if you are new here, especially if you own a Samsung device with Samsung One UI or awaiting the One UI update. Please subscribe now. You will find a lot of useful videos dedicated to Samsung devices and One UI. Also hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Now let's get to the point and bring back the old school Oreo multi-window feature to our Samsung devices such as S8, S9, S10, Note 8, Note 9 and now the A8 and the A7 also. So in your Galaxy device, go to Galaxy apps and search for Good Lock app. Install it or update it to the latest available version. Now if it's not available in your country, use VPN, clear the Galaxy app data and then search and install the Good Lock app. Once installed, open the Good Lock app and tap on Task Changer. This will take you to the Galaxy apps again. Install the Task Changer plugin and then go back to Good Lock app. Now scroll down and tap on the multi-star. It will take you to the Galaxy store again. Install the plugin. Then go back to the Good Lock app once again and now this time you have to tap on Task Changer and this time it will open up some settings. Now all you have to do is turn on the Task Changer. That's it. Now go back to the Good Lock app and tap on multi-star. Tap on change split screen color to choose the color which appears when you resize the app window in multi-window mode. Also turn on the multi-window without pausing. Now this will let you run several apps at the same time in multi-window mode without pausing or stopping another app while in multi-window mode or pop-up view. Then you have to turn on the multi-window to all apps and this requires a restart to apply the settings. Finally, enable the pop-up view action which enables you to switch any app to pop-up view, similar to Facebook Messenger pop-up and floating icon. You can put multiple apps to pop-up view with gesture or tapping on the app icon when you access the recent task. That's nifty, right? As you can see, there are multiple apps which are in minimized pop-up view. I can just tap on any of those and access instantaneously. Now you can also press and hold an app to put it in multi-window mode with 3 positions to choose from: the upper, the lower and the middle one. All you have to do is drag and drop the app in the upper or the lower section to open it in multi-window mode instantly. If you drop any app in the middle, it will open up in the pop-up view and I love this option. I can minimize or maximize app anytime while using other apps in the multi-window mode. This feature enables the true multitasking and multi-window support which isn't there in the One UI. What's more is that you can also add desired app to the multi-window just like you used to do in Oreo without exiting the recent task or the multi-window mode. Tap on this icon and choose app that you want to run side by side. And as I said, no need to exit the multi-window or the recent task area just to open up another app, which saves you a few more taps and makes it more convenient. and so much sense. You can also change the position of apps. Just tap on the dividing bar and tap switch icon. And you can also lock or pin the specific area displaying on the app to the top. For example, some code or the number you need to copy or enter manually, you can just crop that area, pin it to the top, and then enter that number to the lower multi-window app. Makes things very convenient. Now, as usual, you can use this multi-window either in landscape or the portrait, though I personally like the landscape, which gives far better multi-window experience unless you have to type. Like when the keyboard opens up, it takes up more than 60% area on the screen, but that's okay. Last but not the least, you can also add multi-window pairs by tapping on this heart icon. You can access this by tapping the middle bar in between the apps open in the multi-window mode. Now this adds a app pair shortcut on the home screen, and from there all you have to do is tap on the shortcut pair to access the two apps instantaneously in the multi-window mode. Saves a lot of time. So if you happen to use like two apps, or you want to app two apps, or you are going to use two apps more frequently in the multi-window mode, you can just add a pair, and next time if you want to access those two apps, just tap on the shortcut and there you have it. No need to add apps again and again from the recent task or any other place. Now this makes things much more cleaner and more convenient. Though this feature is also there in the Samsung One UI by default, but here you can add more apps or switch apps without leaving the main task, recent task area or the multi-window mode. So there you have it, the easiest way to bring back the multi-window experience, a far better multi-window experience that you ever had on your Samsung device, whether your device was running on the Oreo or the new Samsung One UI. Again, with no root, no PC and no special privileges. This is all possible because of the good lock. I will be bringing more videos, so please subscribe. The videos will be uploaded every other day on the Samsung One UI customizations, so please subscribe now. This was all in this video. If you like this video, then please hit that thumbs up to help me create more. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day.